Welcome back, guys. Today's recipe is pork steak with mashed potato. Now let's start with seasoning our pork with salt and pepper, then let it sit for at least 6 hours. Into the fridge. Please see the description box for the complete list of ingredients. Heat the pan, oil in, and butters in. While waiting for butter to melt, let's cut our garlic into halves. Once butter is melted, it's time to put your pork into the pan and it should be away from you. Just like this. Seasoned with black pepper and salt. Then wait for 2-3 minutes before turning to the other side. Look at the batter, guys. Surely it will go through the meat. Now it's time to turn the side. It's okay to hold at the top because it's still not hot. Now it's time to add the garlic. Then the fresh thyme. So you need to be generous enough. And then lastly, the butter. It's good to coat the meat with the aromatic, garlicky, melted butter. Look at that, guys, the brownish color of the meat. We're halfway there. We will now transfer our meat into the baking pan. Together with our meat are onion cut into halves, garlic, bell pepper, thyme, sprite, soda, cooking wine, and lastly, the butter. Once ready, let's set our oven into 300 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. Wow, look at that, guys, it's almost done. After an hour, there you have it, guys. Wow, seems like so tender. I can't wait to take a bite. So, let's start slicing it and then followed by plating. Pork steaks in, mashed potato in, then some of our condiments. Finally, top with our homemade gravy. There you have it guys, our homemade pork steak with mashed potato. I hope you enjoy watching guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye bye!